When you are healthy, take the opportunity to enjoy delicious food, for when illness strikes, you may only be able to look at it, as the joy of eating fades from your grasp. Capati Corner restaurant, located in Kampung Melayu Subang, Selangor, has started gaining widespread attention as its nasi biryani Medina with lamb shank has become the highlight of the menu. There are two types of nasi biryani available here, one with yellow rice and the other with white rice. The main highlight of this restaurant is the lamb shank, prepared using the original family recipe passed down through generations by the owner. Besides lamb shank, this biryani rice can also be enjoyed with a choice of roasted chicken.
Ya, ni Mami nak abad sikit. Ni kedai Mami beroperasi pukul 11 pagi. Tutup last order sampai 10.30 malam. Okey, public holiday kalau tak jatuh hari Isnin memang Mami akan buka. Kecuali hari Isnin saja kami akan off. Apa-apa hampa mai ramai buat sempoi lah kat kedai Mami.
Capati Corner has started to gain attention, especially among those living near Subang. Some are willing to travel from afar just to savor the biryani dishes here. One of the most popular menu items is the platter rice set and lamb shank. However, chapati is also available day and night, and it can be enjoyed with lamb shank, mutton curry, or the special meat curry offered here. If you choose the platter rice set, the price varies depending on the set offered. For 2 people, this set costs only Rm55, with the option of white or yellow rice. Free beverages are provided in large drink dispensers, and the portion of rice served is very generous. Given the quantity, it seems almost impossible for 2 people to finish it. This set also comes with 2 boiled eggs, papadum, cucumber pickles, and curry gravy as an accompaniment. The lamb shank is incredibly tender, and the rich aroma of the curry enhances the appetite of those enjoying this lamb shank biryani.